Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This episode is dedicated to the 6th installment of my favorite carvers. That's right, my favorite carvers. Have you ever really thought about your favorite things in this world? Well, mine have to be people. They have to be. And those people just happen to be carvers. Pretty cool, eh? Now, I'm not close, real close with a lot of these people, but I can tell you this, they're amazing. My name's Jeff Mohr, I'm the Northwoods Carver, and thanks for seeing what I saw. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to this would be number 6. This is the 6th installment to my favorite carvers. So, let's not waste time, shall we? Here's the hat. Inside this hat is a ton of names. Okay, you can check them out. They're all in there. And to keep it fair, it's not like it's not a competition, so it doesn't really matter. I suppose I could just do these without pulling from the hat. But this makes the matchups more random and more fun for the viewing audience. Say, viewing audience, I have a question. I think I've got maybe 2,200 subscribers out of all these videos I put out. It's kind of like weird. I have people, other carvers and just people in general that seen my stuff say, you should have 50,000 views. Oh yeah. I'm like, well, if you don't share it, and you don't like it, and you don't subscribe to it, it's hard to get those views, right? I'm not in this for the views. But it's kind of weird that if I have 2,200 loyal subscribers and I only get 200 views on something, that's just weird. I don't know if it's my fault or Facebook, or not Facebook, but YouTube or whatever, but it's just weird. I don't know how this thing works. So I'm going to struggle with it. Like I have for years. I struggle with things. That's what I do. All right, I got one. Super freaking random stuff here. I got 2. I got 3. All right, drum roll, please. All right, first name. Jeff Pinney. How's it going, Jeff? You're up, buddy. All right. See who else I can pull. Joerg Jung. Right on, George. Last but not least, my old homie, my brother from another mother, Worden. Sweet. All right, so hopefully you all stick around to the very end and watch all these really cool carvings come to life somewhat. Hope everyone likes what I'm doing. If you do like it, please like and subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. So with that being said, let's get on to the nuts and bolts of things. Let's go ahead and see what they saw.